here. Don't you just love freeform locks? They just do their own thing. They're gonna drop. Probably in a couple months, they're gonna drop and be straight down. But I like how they just pop it out, just stand it out. It's cool, natural. And I be like inviting that, allowing myself to naturally pop out and shine. So look at here. Might do a little tutorial on a coil. I would say I was gonna make a little design. I said I was gonna make a couple days ago, last week, but I forgot it. Did I forget? No, I didn't forget. I just didn't feel like doing it because I showed y'all how to do this coil. The new coil I made. I love a weave, and this is a finished product of me intermitting it into a design. So it came out pretty good. Yeah. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna show y'all a demonstration of the pendant that I'm gonna make. Not the pendant. Get your words right, Jay. Of the design I'm gonna make. I should have had this together before I even turned on the cam. Alright. I got it. So look at here. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this real quick. And I'm gonna let y'all know kinda sort of like the inspiration for this. So you know the people, the peeps that make like orgonite jewelry, they make orgonite jewelry, EMF protection jewelry, and they use like qubit links, and they do a whole lot of little coils and stuff. And I'm like, let me create my own nail detailing. It kind of has that look, but in a way that's more fluent and flowing for creativity without having to do all the soldering and stuff. So yeah, I'm about to make a little detailing of how you can make that little description. So I got on that 20. Okay, now I got 20 gauge copper, and this right here is 28 gauge. Yep, 28 gauge from Rio Grande. So I'm about to wrap this around here, just like this. No cuts, no edits. Let's get it, man. Let's go. I was gonna go live, but freak it. So you open up your drill, you close them up, just like this. Oh man. There you go. Now you just give me a second, y'all. You don't want to get tight. There we go. Yeah, you want to make sure you spin it around here pretty tight to where it doesn't slide so much. Alrighty. Alright, let me put my hair up real quick. tutorial on how to style your hair. Boom. There we go. Good to go. Care about the face. Now, there we go. And I'm gonna just coil it until it's pretty much the whole thing through, and then I'll show you the next step. So yeah, here we go. Oh, it just came out. Alright, we'll just spin it. There we go. Nice and done. Got that. You cut it with the pliers. You see? All that is there. Just close it. And you just do one more time. I got my 20 gauge. And I got my 28 gauge. And if you don't have a drill, it's still possible. You just have to do it like this. All the way around. That's all it is to it. You just gotta do it like that until you get from here all the way there. And even though I got the drill, sometimes I still enjoy, I enjoy just doing a coil like this without using the drill. But yeah, I'm gonna do an edit to where it shows two, where I got two of them together. Or I'm just gonna jump to a clip where I got two coils together, then I'll show y'all the next thing, y'all. So boom. I got the two coils, as you can see. Two coils. About to put it in this. Oh, but first you wanna take these parts and twist it like this first. Yep, I'm gonna twist it. Then you put it in this. This that mug. Oh yeah. Just like that. And now that you got this piece, you can use it like this by itself. Or you want to take a little step further and make this. I wonder if I still remember how to do this mug, cause I low-key forgot. But hey, let me see if this right. Let's see. Yep, this is the way. Oh no, I'm gonna put it down like this. Yep. Just like this, right? Yep, there we go. You see? This is how you make the coil. And that's how you do it. You give it a nice oxidization, and you can see the detailing a lot more. And the only thing I'm gonna do next is just this. I'll show y'all how to end it. Bring this around here. Get my pliers. Just like that. And you just do this. Yep, just like this. I think this is 16 gauge that I wrapped it around. And it's actually pretty thick too. Really hard. Alright, let's get it, man. I'm hoping it catching this pretty good. Cause I'm gonna be ups. I'm gonna be like, oh my God. If it in the camera ain't going catching this. So I'm hoping it catches. It captures the view. Well, if y'all see it up on YouTube, it's because the camera angle was good. And this is how you make this. I call this detailing. I don't know what to call this mug, but in this essence, it looks like an angel wing and an eye. But yeah, this is my original coil that I made. And yeah, I'll probably use this in one of my next creations. Stay tuned, man. Peace, peace. Oh yeah, let me get y'all another. Yeah, your boy nice with it, cuz. Thanks for watching, y'all. And oh yeah, if you want to know another creator, that wonderful being that makes dope jewelry and really good tutorials, mic quality, camera quality, detailing, everything on point, check out Angel, Earth Angel Hills, and the YouTube channel is EVRTHANGEL, and it's in my description as well. Check out how real she peace, peace and love.